स्वागत है आपका एक ब्रांड न्यू चैनल पे द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी।
In this chapter, you will learn about habitat of animals, body covering in animals, breathing in animals, feeding in animals, movement in animals. Hello, I am Andy. I have just picked up the job of an animal conservationist and I have been told that I will have to protect the environment and the wildlife that lives here. Now, to do my job well, I need to know where animals live and how an animal looks, breathes, eats, and where it moves about. Come with me. I need your help. The surroundings where an animal lives, eats, and moves is called its habitat. Can you click on the habitat to know where we can find animals? A forest is a place that is covered with trees. Many wild animals are found here. A mountain is a raised land that has cool climate. Many animals live in the water. Salty water bodies such as oceans and seas and fresh water bodies such as ponds and lakes are a home to different animals. The sky is an open space where many animals spend a lot of time. The Arctic is right near the North Pole and the Antarctic is near the South Pole. So it is very cold there. The desert is a hot and dry place covered with sand. Now that we know about the different habitats in which animals live, can you drag and drop each animal to the habitat it belongs to?
Yes, I am the king of the jungle.
Yes, I love the hot desert.
Hooray for you! You are right. I love flying in the sky.
Correct. I live in the cold Antarctic.
Right you are. Mountains are my home.
Yep, I live at the bottom of the ocean. Body covering keeps animals warm, dry, protects them from physical danger, and helps them hide from enemies. Come along and let's find animals with different body coverings. Roll the cursor on the screen to know different coverings. A bear has fur, which is soft and keeps it warm. A snake has scales to protect the skin underneath. A bird has feathers to provide insulation and help maintain body temperature. A tiger has stripes for camouflage. A porcupine has spines, which are hard, thorny, and needle-like structures for self-defense. A turtle has a shell to protect its soft body. A crab has a tough outer covering made of cuticle, which forms an exoskeleton and provides it protection. That was great! Can you help me find one more animal for each type of body covering in my list? Read the flashing word and click on the right animal. Yes, a bear has fur. Yes, a fish has scales. Yes, a tortoise has a shell. Yes, a lobster has cuticle. Yes, a sea urchin has spines. Yes, a chameleon camouflages. Yes, a snail has a shell. Hello, welcome back. What fresh air. Hey, I wonder how different animals breathe. Come, look at these animals holding their breath. Click on each one to learn how it breathes. Birds, reptiles, and mammals breathe through lungs. Their respiratory system is made of nostrils, a tube called the trachea, and lungs. The exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. Oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is given out. Insects breathe through tiny air holes called spiracles on their bodies. These are openings that lead into the air tubes called tracheae, which form a network inside the body of insects. Some animals breathe through body surface. In earthworm, gaseous exchange takes place through the moist skin. Aquatic animals, such as fish, breathe through gills. Water enters through the mouth and passes out through the gill pouches. When oxygen-rich water passes over the gills, it gets absorbed and carbon dioxide is given out. Hey, can you help me find more animals that have similar breathing method? Read the flashing breathing organ and click on two animals. Yes, you are right. No, I think you should try. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. No, yes, you are right. No, yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. Animals eat different types of food to grow and get energy to survive and protect themselves. Come along, let's go ahead and check out what animals eat. Look at that giraffe. It is eating leaves. Hey, do you know that animals that eat plants have sharp front teeth for biting and strong broad teeth for chewing? Plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Look at that one. It is a lion eating flesh. Animals that eat animals possess sharp, pointed and curved teeth for tearing flesh. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. And that hungry bear, what is it eating? It is eating honey and fish. Animals that eat plants as well as flesh of other animals have strong grinding teeth for chewing flesh and bones. They are called omnivores. Can you click on the right animals for each flashing category in 30 seconds? Give it a try. Roll the cursor on the screen to know the feeding habits of some other animals. Mosquitoes suck blood from the body of human beings. Rabbit, rats, squirrel, etc. have sharp front teeth to gnaw seeds and fruits. A frog sticks out its sticky tongue to capture insects. Elephants use their long trunk to lift their food and put it into their mouths. Snakes, like pythons, swallow their food whole. Animals move in different ways in search of food, protection, and shelter. It is getting dark. The animals are returning to their shelter for the night. Let's see how animals move. Snake does not have limbs. It moves by crawling. Most land animals have limbs. Elephant uses both the front limbs called the forelimbs and the back limbs called the hind limbs. Gorilla uses forelimbs to swing on trees. They use hind limbs to walk. Kangaroo uses the hind limbs to hop. Aquatic animals live in water. Fish have fins and a tail to help them move. Frog has webbed feet to swim and hind limbs to hop. Tortoise has paddle-like limbs to swim. Penguin uses two forelimbs as flippers to push water forwards. Birds have feathered wings to fly. Forelimbs are modified into wing, run, hop, and perch on trees. Insects use their 6 legs to walk. Some insects have scaly wings to fly. Grasshopper uses hind limbs to hop. Oh, it is quite dark. I am unable to make out the animals. Can you help me identify them by their movement and the clue for each one? Read the clue and click on the right moving animal. It is a domestic animal that walks on all 4 limbs. Yes, that's right. It hops like frog. Yes, that's right. It has 6 legs. Yes, that's right. It has paddle-like feet. Hey, no, try again. Yes, that's right. It has short limbs and crawls. Hey, no. Yes, that's right. It is a bird that cannot fly and uses hind limbs to run. Yes, that's right. It is a water animal that uses flipper feet to swim. Yes, that's right. Bye.